Here, ancient roots flow seamlessly through modern design, blurring the lines between nature and architecture.
Deep in this silent forest stood a tree that had survived for centuries, and today, it would become part of something extraordinary.
Just a fraction of an inch off. There we go, smooth as silk.
Every board must follow the natural lines of the roots. There are no straight lines in this build. Each piece is trimmed by hand for a perfect fit. Every root has its own story, its own curve. You just have to follow its lead and let the light find its way through. I wanted the light to feel like it was part of the structure, breathing life into the wood and the roots, creating a warm sanctuary from the
Here, ancient roots flow seamlessly through modern design, blurring the lines between nature and architecture.